Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to create a one-time spending buffer in Nerdwallet. Are you expecting a larger than usual expenses this month? Yeah, here's how to create a one-time spending buffer in Nerdwallet so that you can handle it without breaking your entire budget. First, start by logging into your account at nerdwallet.com, and then from your dashboard, just head to the budget tab. Now find the category that will be affected by the unusual expense. For example, if it's healthcare, home repair, or travel, just find that and then click the edit icon next to that category. Here's the trick. Instead of permanently increasing your monthly limit, simply raise the budget for this month alone. For instance, if you normally set a budget of $100 for healthcare, but you expect a $400 medical bill, then you want to update this to $400. NerdWallet will apply this increase to the current month's budget without affecting future months. To make this clear in your records, add a quick note like temporary increase for dentist bill. After the month ends, your budget will automatically return to its original amount. No need to remember to reset it. You've now created a one-time buffer that protects your overall financial plan while letting you breathe a little easier this month. Planning for flexibility is just as important as sticking to limits. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more NerdWallet tutorials that help you spend smart and stress less. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.